found this lovely tree. It's a tabebuia, I think. I've never seen this one. Well, I have seen them earlier, but look at it. It's so beautiful, full of yellow flowers. So amazing. Freeze is gone. March is here. Everything is blooming. It's so awesome. It is so beautiful. I've seen a pink one also, the same kind, but this is amazing. Florida is full of them. Many people like to plant this one because they are so beautiful. So awesome. So awesome. Look at that. So amazing. Spring is here, guys. So beautiful, so amazing. No leaves on this tree. It's so happy, flowers everywhere. No leaves.